Thank you.
In the bowls.
You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. And I recommend you pick up more than one because you can do your side dishes and they'll coordinate and match. I'm going this way.
If you've been eyeballing what's happening back here in the back of our set, these are the stackable.
Yes.
And I love this because they're like little mini soup crocks.
They are. And vertical storage. That is my love.
Yeah.
Because I have so many things in my cabinets, and my cabinets are like, there's not enough room.
Yeah.
So now you can leave these out on your countertop, and I think that's what people have loved.
Yeah.
And the fact that you have 4 22-ounce soup cereal bowls with the handles.
I've got to go over there and grab my card.
You do
if
that.
You don't mind getting
of
started.
Of course. No, not at all. So here I wanted to just show you the profile. So still all of that great stoneware. Mary dog the camera.
Well,
still
you know,
all of
wait,
that
I'm going to do it again, too. Watch this.
Do it. Yeah, he said, were you going to get the Pawfetti?
Oh, is it still here? Okay, we'll find out.
Okay. So here, how do you want to tackle this? We kind of put all of the seasonal down in front, and we wanted to show you what Old World looked like and what floral lace
Let's
looks
give
like.
an overview of the pattern. So
sure.
Here's your Old World pattern.
Yes.
Here's your floral lace pattern. We have lots of colors in both.
Brand new today, all of the seasonal.
Oh, we've got
Look at the palm.
5 new seasonals to talk about.
This is beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous. There's one of them. And then I love the fact that we have it in the
butterfly.
Flutter.
Or we're calling it olive flutter. Butterfly or olive flutter. Oh, perfect. Okay.
Olive flutter, and you can see it's got the butterflies and those beautiful soft pastels.
This is so beautiful for spring. Look how beautiful it is with your sweater.
Kind of love it.
Right?
Here's another seasonal choice.
Garden.
The garden.
That has our ladybug that I do in honor of my grandmother. It has our hummingbird and our dragonfly. So again, all of those critters I know you guys love. And wait for it. We only bring it this time of the year. Once it's gone, it's gone.
And notice in the olive flutter and the garden, the wire rack is white.
Yes.
Pretty, pretty.
Look at how beautiful Americana or patriotic. So love that we incorporated that into this.
Then, hang on. Pawfetti.
I mean,
we have 150 left already. It's already running.
It's running away again.
Yeah.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
Super cute. First time we've ever done anything like that in our stackables.
We also have woodland.
We do. White woodland, as a matter of fact, and all 4 of our colors.
That one's flying out the door, and it's just back in stock.
Yes.
So here we are, easy storage, because we're taking it vertical.
Yep.
Now let's go to Old World up top and show our color choices.
Yeah, so in Old World we have a total of 6 colors. We showed you the confetti down here. There's your gray. So this will match back with your dinnerware there. There's your yellow. Peeking through there, I don't know if you guys can see, there's your blue. That's going to be that gorgeous cobalt blue. Then, of course, we have your taupe.
That's our most limited in the Old World.
Got it. And last but not least, closest to Mary, is going to be that green.
Absolutely beautiful.
So I love picking this up with your dinnerware because you can use these now as the soup bowls, a different style soup bowl.
Now, in our floral lace choices, we have 7.
We do. Okay. So we showed you the gray down here before, most neutral. Here's that gorgeous cobalt blue. So that's going to have that color saturation. There's your red. I did not put the beading on these so that when they nest and stack, there's not a little ripple there, okay? There's your cranberry. Next door to that is the black, the yellow.
Yellow's the most limited in our floral lace with 500 left, and taupe has sold out.
Okay.
So we'll get that out of there. I feel like I'll knock it down if I do it now.
Okay.
We're going to dive on up to the woodland. And we showed the white in the woodland, but we do have 5 total colors.
Yeah, so we have the taupe there.
Beautiful. Most limited with 100 to go around.
I love that we have the buttercream.
I like it in the black
and
wire.
I think the buttercream, we have some dinnerware left. So if you picked up that dinnerware in the buttercream, that'll work back perfectly there.
Great call. We have it in our squoval.
We do.
Well.
Ooh, yes, we do.
And then here's the woodland. Oh,
slate blue. Yeah, there's our slate blue. And then last but not least, we also have, of course, that gorgeous gray. And I did want to just say, if you picked up that buttercream dinnerware, the square, look at that. Now you could layer in, you get this soup bowl.
See that?
Hey, short girls. You have like, hi, you get this soup bowl, but now you could also put that soup bowl in there too, so you can plug and play with
round little square. Now you're playing with geometry on your dinner table. Here's the deal: they're $28.60. They're on 5 easy payments of $5.72. Remember, we have Old World, floral lace, woodland, and seasonal. The reason why we're going to go up to this table up front
I'm going to grab something out of the oven. I'll meet you up there.
Here's a couple things. You know, this makes so much sense if you have a smaller kitchen because you're taking advantage of that vertical space. The other nice thing is, too, is if you have anybody that comes racing through the kitchen to either load up their plate or load up their bowl, now they know where to go and grab it. When they come out of the dishwasher, because, of course, they're oven safe, refrigerator safe, freezer safe, microwave safe, and oven safe, or dishwasher safe, you take them out of the dishwasher, you stack them right back up in the rack. It just makes so much sense.
So much sense. And what I love about it is you can tuck it under the broiler, right? So we've been talking about Temp-tations, right? Temp-tations 101. one. Oven safe up to 500 degrees. Look at that bubbling all the way around. But here's what we love. Naturally non-stick. So I can take that cheese that's stuck to the side. Oh, no, it's not. Because it's stoneware, it's naturally non-stick. So metal utensil safe. No butters, no oil extras, added fats there. It's so easy to tuck it right under the broiler. And now you have either 4 individual French onion soups, or we did a beautiful no-bake cheesecake, which I love that here. Maybe you're talking about some of the portion control and some of your side dishes. I love how it could be grapefruit in the morning, or it could be a sticky bun, or it can be an egg frittata, or you can have your breakfast potatoes, or this could be the breakfast spread that you've made now in our stackables. We can never keep them in stock. I love that we brought them back in all of our seasonal. These are a no-brainer. These are super fun.
$7.15 per bowl. $7.15 per bowl. And then because it's $7.15 a bowl, it's like we just took the wire rack and threw it in the box. We're like, hey, we like you, take the rack.
There was a lot of thought that went into that wire rack, Mary.
I know, and I'm talking about it like it just got thrown in. But it coordinates to our dinnerware and our flatware.
Yes.
So this is what Temp-tations is all about. What is going on in that bowl?
First of all, look at this in the confetti. I love the fact that now it becomes your bread bowl. So you can bake your cornbread in there, flip it out, cut it out, make a little hole for it, and then put all of your chili right inside there. You can put little toppings on?
I'm gonna help.
Of course you are.
I like to help.
See how this just pops right out? We baked right in here, pop it out, hollow it out. Now you have little individual bread bowls. Like, how fun is that?
Okay, well, did you say over 1,500? Okay, now 1,700.
Whoa, I guess we're going to go back and take a peek at
Yeah,
I'm going to eat this chili.
5 easy payments of $5.72. These are great for soup crocks, desserts, cereal.
They're personal size, right?
Yes.
That's what 22 ounces you're getting all for, and vertical storage. Like, look how organized this is. And then I know I'm going to follow you back, but look how organized this is to put next to your crock pot. Anything that you're making, everybody can help themselves. Breakfast in the morning, everybody grabs their cereal bowl.
And they're
in love with this.
They're back in stock. And
yes, finally.
You know the mugs
finally.
in the stacker?
Yes.
How cute would they be together?
Perfect.
Oh,
this whole stack collection.
Old World we have in confetti. And then jumping on up to the top, we have the gray, the yellow. The blue is kind of tucked behind. Here's the taupe. I love the taupe.
Beautiful.
I love the taupe. And then we have the green tucked behind there too. Trust me, if I could guarantee that I wouldn't rip the doors off this cabinet, I would do it. Y'all know me. I'm not afraid, but the crew is. Okay, now we have, jumping on over to the floral lace.
Sure.
We have the gray at the very bottom on our table. We've also got the blue. Here's the red. I love the red and the cranberry side by side.
Beautiful. And the cranberry is going to be that softer kind of more wine color. Yeah. And that red is that true vibrant red.
Diving on over to the floral lace black.
Toile all day. It is.
And then we have floral lace yellow.
Yep.
I got so hitched up on the black, I was like, I like it. Then we have the floral lace taupe. Now, jumping above to talk to you about the woodland. Now, we've got the woodland taupe. We have the
buttercream.
Woodland buttercream. I buffered there for a second. Here's the slate blue. And here's the gray at the very end. Now, I'm gonna dive down to the countertop to show you that is the woodland white still even here? 200 left.
Wow.
Shocked.
Wow.
By the way, not shocked.
Right.
Then we have our seasonals, which
I love.
Hi, all the seasonals. Paw Fetty's gone. Bye, bye, Paw Fetty.
Oh
Sorry,
my gosh,
watch your
so
little paws.
sweet.
Then we have the patriotic. 250 left. Here's the garden. 6 dozen left. All aflutter, also known as butterfly. That flew away.
I love this.
I do too.
Thank you, everybody.
Glad you all like it. We have 100 in the palm. And then just quickly, because I don't think I mentioned it before, we do have the floral lace gray. Okay, got it. So they're back in stock, but now already flying out the door. They are very popular in the show.
For the whole season. What's happening? I don't think it's going to make it.
Already in this show, I'm so sorry I missed it. 2,500 have now been picked up.
They're awesome, you guys.
Yeah, great find. We wanted to remind you the warming tray that Cheryl called in and chatted with us about a moment ago. 400